people, I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be starting the exhaust. I already started welding the first two pieces. This is going to be the first part. I'm going to cut it and shrink it as far as I need to in order to get the level right as it goes underneath the car. But yeah, my welds aren't the best. This was my first time welding in well over a year, maybe 2 years, and I never went to any classes or anything. I literally bought a welder and watched like 3 YouTube videos, and they're not bad. I mean, they're not great. I think I had the voltage a little high still, even though it was really low. Tons and tons of the splatter, so I'm gonna clean them up, but right now I'm gonna start sizing. I'm gonna cut these and cut this one as well. This is the other one. The other part comes out at more of an angle, so I'll chop this and shrink it as much as I need to. Yeah, get the front started. Okay, so the part of the video you're about to watch right now was day 2 of the exhaust project, and unfortunately the intro to that part, and a good chunk of the video I lost because I deleted the videos thinking that my editor had saved them, my app editor, but unfortunately the app doesn't download it yet. It just pulls straight off the phone, and so when I deleted them from the phone in order to make room on my phone, in order to download the full video all together, edited together onto my phone, it didn't save any of those clips that I deleted off my phone, and they're all gone now. So I'm re-uploading this intro. That's why it's incomplete, but I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so this is the final product of the second piece so far. Final product of day 2 at least. And this will get us straight back. And then if you see under here, I have this piece marked up. I have to angle it up a little bit, but otherwise, that's it for the front portion. And then once I finish up that last piece, I'll get this piece in, and then I can line up what I need to and start up on the rear, which is probably going to be more complicated, but we'll see. I think the worst part's going to be the major amount of bugs and spiders that have made my car their home back here. But so I'm thinking for the next time, I might take a small break from the exhaust. I might just do that one piece, and then I have to bleed the passenger side front brake is not bled. Okay, so the bleeder valve is chewed up, and I wasn't able to tighten it on properly because it's so old. So I have new bleeder valves that hopefully will work. If not, I'll have to order more, and hopefully those work, and then I can bleed those, and then the brakes will be done. I'm not gonna do the disc brakes while it's back here. I think if I do those, I'm gonna send them to a shop, and then I should just do the rears too. That way I can just get a nice matching set of wheels for the car. But yeah, and then after I do the brake, then I'll probably finish pulling that fender off. I'll get the door hinge installed, and then get the fender back on. Well, actually, while the fender's off, then I'll get those little plastic anchors in, and that way when I put the lights back on, it'll be all nice and flush. The bezels will be nice and flush, and then the car will look a bit nicer. So then after that, I'll get back to the exhaust. So with all that said, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's pretty spotty, it's not complete. Sorry I lost the footage, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, obviously please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any ideas for the future, and what you think of the car and the project so far, and obviously any critiques. I know my welds are atrocious, but they work, and that's all that I really care about right now. So it's just a $300 exhaust plus a welder that I had for years now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, and until next time, see ya.